Yes, good morning, students. Welcome to our online class. Today we shall read exercise 6, question number 3. In previous class, we have complete two questions in this exercise. Now, third question. Yes, our question is write the following fractions in words. इन फ्रैक्शंस को वर्ड्स में राइट करना है. राइट फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इन वर्ड्स. राइट फॉलोइंग फ्रैक्शंस इन words. Our fractions are 3/4. First, 3/4. It is called 3/4 or 3/4. You can write it in words. Words means in spellings. 3/4. 3 THREE 3 by 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 4 FOUR 3/4. You can also write it 3/4. Means you can write by in the place of upon UPON. You can substitute here, but this is also right answer 3/4. Okay. Now second part. Yes, it is 1 and 2/5. 1 and 2/5. 1 whole 2/5 is also can be written. Yes, 1 and 2/5. 2/5. You can understand very well that this number is a mixed number, and mixed number it is a whole number, and this is proper fraction, and it is written 1 and 2/5. Okay. Yes, third part. The third part is 2 and 3/5. 2 and 3/5. Write in words. 2 TWO2 and 3/5. THREE 3/5. 2 and 3/5. 2 and 3/5. So you can write the fractions, any fractions, either it is proper, it is improper, or it is mixed. You can write them in words easily. Only read them and write the spelling. Only read them. Example, first part, 3/4. THREE 3 by FOUR 4. Yes, 1 and 2/5. ONE 1, AND and TWO 2, BY by FIVE 5. and third part is 2 and 3 by 5. TWO2 A and D and THRW 3 BY by FIVE 5. Now we have finished question number 3. Now our question is question number 4. Okay. Yes. Now we shall discuss about question number 4. Yes. Our question is, what is the question? Question is, represent following fractions on a number line. Represent following fractions. Represent following fractions on number line. Number line. What is a number line? A line which represent numbers on it is called a number line, and we shall have to put these fractions on number line. Yes, our first part is 4 and 1 upon 2. Yes, 4 and 1 upon 2. Yes, our first part is 4 and 1 upon 2. 4 and 1 by 6. Yes, 4 and 1 by 6. 4 and 1 by 2. Yes, 4 and 1 by 2. Yes. Now draw a number line. Here is 0, here is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a number line. Okay. Now 4 and 1 upon 2 lies between 4 and 5. This is 4 and 1 upon 2. Means this lies between 4 and, not 4 and, no, 4 and. 1 by 2, yes, the parts should be divided in 2 equal parts. We have to put 2 equal parts between 4 and 5. Okay? 4 and 1 upon 2. At first, we move at the 4. We move at the 4. And now 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2. 1 by 2. Means there are 2 parts after 4. 1 and 2. Now this part is called 1 by 2. And this is called 4 and 1 by 2. Yes, this is called 3 and 1 by 2. This is called 2 and 1 by 2. This is called 1 and 1 by 2. This is called only 1 by 2. Okay. Yes. This is 1 by 2. This is 1 and 1 by 2. This is 2 and 1 by 2. This is 3 and 1 by 2. This is 4 and 1 by 2. You can say that this is 5 and 1 by 2. Okay. So you have understood what is 4 and 1 by 2. where is 4 and 1 by 2 on the number line. You can understand it easily from the representation of this number line. Understood or not? Yes, understood. Now, second part. Our second part is, yes, 3 and 3 by 4. 3 and 3 by 4. 3 and 3 by 4. You can represent the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. Yes, you can easily understood that this number is between 3 and 4, after 3 and before 4. Yes. Now we put 4 equal parts of 3 and 4. 4 equal parts. 3 upon 4 means 4 equal parts. Okay. Yes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have put 4 equal parts between 3 and 4. We can put these parts between 2 and 3 also, 1 up and 2 also, 0 and 1 also, 4 and 5 also. But our target is in the 3 and 4. Okay. You can put the parts, 4 equal parts between 2 and 3. But the number will be between 3 and 4. Okay. Yes. Now 3 and 3 upon 4. 3 and 3 by 4. 3 and 1 by 4. 3 and 2 by 4. 3 and 3 by 4. What? 3 and 1 by 4. This is 2 and 1 by 4. 2 and 2 by 4. 2 and 3 by 4. This is 3 and 1 by 4. 3 and 2 by 4. 3 and 3 by 4. Yes. 3 and 3 by 4 on our number line. Okay. Yes. This is 2 and 1 by 4. This is 2 and 3 by 4. This is 4 and 1 by 4. This is 4 and 2 by 4. This is 4 and 3 by 4. Okay. Yes. Now, question number 3rd. Yes, our question is 2 by 3. Only 2 by 3. Yes. 2 by 3. Okay, this number should be between 0 and 1. Yes. This number lies between 0 and 1. Make 3 equal parts of 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, 3. Third part is itself. Yes. 3 equal parts. 1, 2 and 3, 1 itself. Yes. So you can see here, this is 1 by 3, this is 2 by 3 and this is 3 by 3 means 1. Yes, this is 2 by 3. This part is called 2 by 3. Yes, this part is called 2 by 3 and this is 1, 3 by 3. This is 1 and 1 by 3, 1 and 2 by 3. Okay, this is 2 and 1 by 3. This is 2 and 2 by 3. Okay, yes. Our question is 2 by 3 means this is 0 and 2 by 3. Yes, it lies between 0 and 1. Okay, yes. Make 3 equal parts of 0 and 1. 1, 2, 3. 3 itself. Okay, yes. This is 1 by 3 and this is 2 by 3. Yes, 2 by 3. Our question 4 is completed and you can understood it easily. Okay, now question number 5. Question number 5 you can do yourself. How? See the number line and fill balloons with fraction value. Here you will read the number line and write the fraction in the balloon. Yes, in first balloon this is 1 and 1 2 3 4 5, total parts 5, and the symbol is 1 2 3, means 1 and 3 by 5. Okay, you can do all these questions easily. Okay, now our exercise 6 is completed. Okay, if you have any problem, then we can discuss in the next class. Okay.